This is so good. It's crunchy, it's salty, it's seasoned perfectly. Hi, welcome to our family table. Today I will be making Chex Mix. This is all you're gonna need. Hi, we are back and we are making some homemade Chex Mix. Get yourself a big old bowl. And in this bowl, I have 4 cups each of corn Chex, rice Chex, and wheat Chex. Make sure you preheat your oven to 250. I have double ovens, I'm using them both in this recipe. So once you have all of your cereal in there, you are going to add 1 container of salted mixed nuts. This is what I use. Add that in there. And for those of you that have made Chex Mix before, you can customize the mix-ins, right? So I always use pretzels. My family loves lots of just the mini pretzels. You could use the sticks, the little skinny sticks if you want. I use the mini pretzels. This is about 3 cups of pretzels. Add that to the bowl. And also my family loves these little rye garlic chips. They're almost like bagel chips. You see if I can find a whole one. See that right there? I tend to have to double these as well. This is about 2 cups. And then this year, I am using little mini club crackers. They are the cutest little things. I don't know if you've seen these, but look how cute these little suckers are. So this was a big hit with my family when I made it the first time. So I'm gonna add about 2 cups of these to your big old bowl. So in this, I have a stick of butter, melted. I also have 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. I have 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt. I have a teaspoon of granulated garlic or garlic powder, whichever you have on hand. And then I have a teaspoon of onion powder. That is all mixed in with the melted butter. Just give it a swirl. And then you're gonna pour this over your mixture. And get yourself a spatula of choice to make sure you scrape out all the goodness. Don't waste any of it. And you're gonna swirl this around. Get everything coated really good. And once you have this all mixed in, get yourself a couple of large baking sheets and spread that out on, I do mine on 2 baking sheets, hence the reason why I have both ovens working. I'm gonna put 1 in each. Okay, get yourself a baking sheet and pour half on this one. Spread that out real good. And then get you another one. And pour the rest on there. Spread that out real good. And then once you have them both on the cookie trays, you're gonna put them in the oven and you are going to cook them at 250 for 1 hour. And you're gonna stir them every 15 minutes. Look at this beautiful Chex Mix. I am going to put the perfect bite in my hand, at least for me. We got a club cracker, we got wheat Chex, we got a bagel bite, and we got a cashew. Let's give her a try. This is so good. It's crunchy, it's salty, it's seasoned perfectly. This is the best snack for you to have with your family around the holidays. I hope you enjoy the Chex Mix. Thank you for watching, and always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family. Bye-bye.